Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. Today I'm really excited because I am going to be doing my unboxing of my first, well, it's not my first, but this is the first time I ever do an unboxing of items that were gifted to me, whether it's PR or just a gift to review, you know, for my honest opinions. But on top of it being a gift, I've become an affiliate of them. They didn't sponsor the video or anything like that, but they did give me an affiliate code where you guys can get a discount and I can get some taco money like everyone else says on these videos, if you guys do choose to use my code. So that's really exciting for me because it's not very often for someone like me to get that. But this is how my box came. I can't show you the top. It says you have cool hair. I've been wanting to try their products for so long, so I'm really pumped. Look at this box. Ooh. So again, I've become an affiliate of Verb hair products. This box is so cute. We're from Austin, Texas, and yes, it's as great as you've heard. Accessible salon quality hair care is what accessible salon quality hair care is what we do, and in our spare time we verb in our verb. That's cute. We're a team of taco lovers, hairstylists, product junkies, yes and yes and yes, concert enthusiasts, and low maintenance girls and guys making only good stuff. That's super cute and that's on point with me. I'm not a hairstylist, but I like low maintenance. I like a lot of tacos. I'm Mexican, you know. Verb, you show us, you verb in, your verb. That's so funny. Anyways. So that's really cute. I have really thin, fine hair. As I've gotten older, my hair falls and sheds like nothing. Like, it's all over the place. Like, ugh. You can almost make a wig out of my hair, how much it falls out. It's insane. I'm looking into getting like those, the Halo Beauty vitamins. I don't know, something. I used to have beautiful thick hair when I was younger, and again, as I got older, it's this now. I still like it. It's just, it's so thin and blah. So anyways, my point is, I typically only wash my hair once, maybe twice a week, which I told them, and they sent me 2 little sample packets of their shampoo and conditioner, which is, again, it's cool. I've been still using from another brand their travel size for a month, so don't judge me, okay? I don't want my hair to fall out so much. But anyway, so like I said, I've been wanting to try their Ghost shampoo and conditioner. This is the Verb shampoo in the white, and then the Verb conditioner in the black. They also sent me full-size products of, this is really cool. They sent me the Verb Gentle Cleanse Plus Style Extender Light Volume Dry Shampoo for dark hair. Perfect. I don't need big hair volume, you know, like they say everything is big in Texas. My husband's a Texan, so yes. But for me, medium volume is good. Light volume is good. So this is really cool, and I'm excited to try it. I might give it a whirl right now. So they also sent me the hydrating mask, which is really neat. I am currently using something else, but I'll definitely give this a whirl on the days I'm using their products. Whenever I'm reviewing products, I do make sure that I'm not mixing them up. I do give them their own time and space to see how they're actually working on me, because otherwise, you know. So I'm excited to try that. I always love moisture hydrating. That's what I've been working on, because my hair was fried from all the hair dye over the years. It was bad. I even I think I cut 6 inches off my hair recently too. And lastly, the #1 item that I was eyeballing forever is the Verb Ghost Oil. The Verb Ghost Oil is amazeballs from what everyone has told me. So super pumped. So pumped to get this. But yeah. So I'm really excited. I'm so happy that they sent these to me. So thank you so very much, Verb. I'm so appreciative. And I will be doing a follow-up video at a later time, letting you guys know how I like the products. Let's see. And yeah, use my code. I'll make sure to put it down below in the descriptions. If you guys like Verb, or you guys are even interested in purchasing, they always run some different promos. Make sure you use my code. Be nice and help your girl, okay? I'm curious. Oh, that smells good. Ooh. I typically like putting dry shampoo towards the front of my hair. Dude, look at that. Oh, automatically made it look so pretty. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I know it's different, but thank you guys. And again, I forgot to mention, make sure you like my video, comment what product you're excited to hopefully try, and please use my code. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, please. I'd greatly appreciate it. Love you guys. Goodbye.